Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to cover me working on my canvas painting kit. If you're interested in this video, please keep watching. Thank you. Hey guys, hey, so this video is pre-recorded in iPad and it's showing me doing one of my relaxing regimen. I got this 11 by 11 inch pre-sketch canvas from Michaels, and it comes with 3 brushes in flat 4, flat 10, and round 4. And I'm currently using the flat 10, which is the widest mouth brush. It also comes with 6 acrylic paints, 3 of which are primary colors yellow, blue, and red, and the 3 other colors are the metallic green that I'm currently using, and black and white, which are used to mix colors to either make them lighter or darker, like I'm doing right now. And it comes with, lastly, the iridescent glitter, which is used to revive dry paint, right over in the left corner. Yeah, so one thing that I know about this particular canvas that really interested me when I was looking for one to buy was the words written on this one. It says empowered women can empower others, and this really means a lot to me, and I believe in women being empowered and being able to wear all the hats that they can and do things accordingly. And this even comes for me at an encouraging time, just to remind me that I have been so much more empowered and I can do so much more. And like the saying, give a woman one thing and she would multiply, or however the saying goes. If you know it, please indicate in the comment section. But yeah, lately I've been in this very negative headspace, worrying and scared to make moves, but I wanted to pause, relax, and re-strategize. And the best way for me at the moment was to do some painting and use that to reevaluate things. And going back on what my mind was going through while I was painting, honestly, I can't remember anything. It was just very blank. And I realized that I stopped worrying about everything that was going on in my life, and I just focused on doing the work and painting. And that just reminded me to just always take a step back, refocus, and let your mind rest and stop worrying about things. And I find that really achievable for me when I'm doing crafts. I find it very relaxing and enjoyable when I'm doing crafts, because I really enjoy doing crafts. And I wanted to share with you guys what makes me relax and what I do to relax on a free day. There are a few other things that I do to relax, and I hope to share with you guys as time goes on. But yeah, also I would like to say how impressed I was with the skin color. I really never done skin painting before. Like, as you can see in the video, I'm like rigorously mixing and trying to get different shades. I mean, I didn't really do great, but I did great enough for me for a first time. But yeah, and in the jar, I forgot to mention, it's just water, and I use that to clean the brushes before I reapply a different shade. And I also use the water to lighten the colors after application. You'll see that in the middle paint or the middle piercing or the middle head. Yeah, well, I guess I've been talking for a minute now, and I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Please leave a comment below and tell me how well I did, and give this video a thumbs up. Support this woman, empower this woman, okay? Thank you. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. So quickly, this is where I used water to like lighten the color of the hair so it's not as dark. And here's the final products. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.